with another product we love. Today I have the Wonder Fuse number 4090 from Clover. There's 10 sheets to a package. Each sheet measures 9 by 8. The best part about this fusible is that it's very lightweight. I mean, look at this. This is the webbing. This is the glue. It's very sheer, very lightweight, so this is perfect for your more delicate fabrics. And if you're going to layer your applique, this will take the stiffness. It won't be as stiff if you use this Wonder Fuse. Now, let me show you how to actually use it. You're going to take your applique and you're going to trace it. Now, this is the paper release side. This is a side you want to actually draw on. This is the bumpy side, which is the adhesive. So we're just going to lay it on our pattern, and you always want to leave space in between your designs, and then you just want to trace your design onto the paper release side, and then you're going to trim it. And to trim it, you're going to rough cut it. You don't want to cut on the line. That we'll do later. By leaving about 1/8 of an inch from the actual design, this will ensure that you get edge-to-edge coverage. So I'm just going to roughly cut this out. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm roughly going to cut this out. Now we are going to fuse it to the wrong side. Remember, the wrong side of your fabric. So here's my applique piece. And here's my piece of fabric. Now, this is a batik, so both sides look like the right side, but I'm going to say this is the wrong side. I'm just going to lay with the bumpy side down. And if you want, you can also use a press cloth. And just for 5 to 8 seconds, that's all it takes, with a dry iron. And there you go. Now, if you're going to fuse like a denim, a heavier fabric, it may take longer than 5 to 8 seconds, but that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. Try not to move your iron too much. You just want to press. I always like to turn it over and give it one more press. Now, you want to let this cool before you cut it. And when I say before we cut it, we're going to cut on the line. So I have one here ready to go. You can see where I fused to the wrong side, and I'm just going to take my scissors, and now I'm cutting on the line all the way around. And I'm going to fuse it to the background. Now, I've been working on this pincushion, so I have some of the scraps left over. Now, to release this release paper, you're going to take a pin and you're going to score down the middle with your pin. And then just kind of bend it over and just go ahead and pull that paper up. Now, you can see the adhesive on the back. The one thing about Wonder Fuse is that it's not sticky. Some fusible webbing are sticky on the other side, but this one is not sticky at all. So if you position it on your project, right sides up, and again, take your iron, 5 to 8 seconds, and just fuse it down. That's all there is to it. And I want to show you how lightweight this is. I mean, you don't even know that you fused your applique piece to it. So here's a little sample that I actually fused to denim, and I layered it. And you know, there's 1, 2, 3 layers, and then I added a couple. And you can see how well this fuses to this denim. I mean, it fuses really nice, which is why it's a product we love. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode of Products We Love.